What a beautiful flower, rain lily flower from my garden. But what's this? I just planted a single bulb last year and now here are many bulbs and many plants. So many bulbs now I am noticing here. And from that bulbs here are so many plants. What should be the magic behind this? Let's try to understand.
Beneath the surface, the mother bulb anchors itself. Soon, small daughter bulbs begin to share the space. They develop their own roots, ensuring a new generation.
Oh, in this way I got new plants, and the new plants also gives me lots of buds which will give me lots of flowers.
After the rain, the garden comes alive. These rain lilies bloom almost simultaneously, responding to the dramatic shift in atmospheric pressure.
So now I got it how the nature creates new plants its own.